We're talking about converting fractions to decimals. We want to just first think about what a fraction is. So a fraction really is Kobe missed. So what a fraction really is you have a numerator and you have a denominator. Okay, and those can be translated to meaning dividend and divisor. Okay, and just to show how these would fit into our algorithm, if we're doing normal division, then we have the dividend inside, and the divisor goes on the outside. Okay, so you can see here, if we draw arrows, dividend, divisor. So the bottom number is dividing into the top number, which this shows right here. So let's just look at any fraction. Let's say we have 3 over 5. If we're going to put this in our algorithm, then we know 3 goes inside, the thing being divided, and the 5 goes on the outside. Okay, so if we look at that now, we can just do our division. 5 doesn't go into 3, we put in a 0, decimal, decimal, add another 0. We know 5 goes into 30 6 times. You get 0 out, so we know 3/5 is also equal to 0.6.